Hello, everyone. Today we are introduce a good machine. This machine can printing round cylinder shape product and this ellipse shapes and square shape product or rectangle product. This machine have a full servo motor. This servo motor is drag the printing head, and this servo motor is drag the frame, and this servo motor is rotary for the product when you printing your logo. And other side, in the back side, it have this servo motor. It will drive. This servo motor will drive this printing head up or down. You can see here have a full servo motor drive. So this machine can printing many products, no matter flat product or round cylinder product. So you can printing bottle, ellipse products, rectangle and square product, or flat, or like this product. It's not flat. It have arc. So you can printing use this machine. You can printing many products. So different product we have to make a fixture mold. Then install your mold to the servo motor, and different logo. You have to make a logo stencil, and then install your frame to here and put ink. You can printing red color or black, yellow, any color. You can see here you can printing round cylinder shape and ellipse shape and flat square product, and this product, or square and like this, or this product. This are for ellipse, this for arc, for like this product. So this machine, you can printing arc shape or round cylinder shape. So you can choose your product. This machine with a full servo motor, you can control up and then printing head left, frame left, and the product. And when printing, the product will be rotary. On the back side here, have a servo motor to control the printing head up and down.
Nhưng mà mới bởi bèo cao phùi cái này dột đèn được không?
Khâu
这个扣子要重新抽一下，看泡哪些。